Hi everyone, and thank you for being here. Based on the title of the video and the thumbnail, you all know what we'll be painting today. I'm talking about the beloved iconic manga and anime series Cat's Eye, which is getting a reboot this September on Disney Plus for whatever reason, with updated character designs and new outfits for the three sisters. Yeah, after seeing the trailer for it, I kinda have mixed feelings. The original was really peak 80s with its realistic designs, animation and music. It's all based on Tsukasa Hojo's 18-book-long manga series that ran between 1981 and 85. Since it's an older series, there aren't really garage kits for it. Even official figures are hard to come by, and they are not really pretty. There are some professionally crafted, pre-painted sets which look absolutely beautiful, but they are way out of my budget unless I sell a couple of my organs. I did two vintage Tsukura Hobby statues previously here on the channel. I will link them as cards in the corner of the video. They were old, very hard to work on, and I didn't really like the result at all, so I was happy to find this lovely 3-part diorama with the heroines on my go-to place for 3D models called 3D.com. The models are by the talented people at the Skazone. Please follow and support them so that they make more lovely figures. You can print the ladies separately or together on one bigger base. I decided for the latter. Printing took long, more than 25 hours. I had to resize the figures to 75% because otherwise the base wouldn't fit my printing plate. They are still about 21-22 centimeters tall, fully fitting among my regular garage kits. I will not put you all through that and the seemingly endless sanding, so let's get to painting. For the base, I use my remaining Vallejo primer in ghost grey color. It will be dark anyway, and for the figures, I switched to desert tan, also by Vallejo. For the color, I mainly use Vallejo again with Citadel on the skins. They are still hand painted, but I have to say I bought a set of airbrush and I did try using it on them and it turned out horrendous. So I thought these are really not the figures I should be practicing on and possibly ruining them. I can do that on leftover resin bits and pieces.
Next time, baby.
series were very popular here in Europe. Many countries ran it with their own dubs. I watched it in German. This was a time when German anime dubs were the thing, like in their prime. They changed a couple of names here and there, but the quality was amazing. My generation of fans really learned the language by watching animes in German. I've always loved the series, the backstory, the skilled thievery, as well as the art style. The men look masculine, the ladies curvy and beautiful, and the fashion shown in the episode matched the outfits in the real life. It felt authentic and a breath of fresh air. This is why I'm a bit concerned about the reboot, because on one hand it's really a story that deserves one, but on the other hand I'm afraid many elements of it will be changed or updated for modern audiences. I will be watching nevertheless. Let's hope for the best. My hands were especially shaky this time when I needed to be careful and paint the small eyes. I don't know what happened to them. Maybe it's just the weather or general tiredness. And this is how they turned out. I'm thankful for the Skazone for making these lovely 3D models. Give them some love and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.